Most people want to see what's going on around their property, but they honestly don't want to do the wiring and all of the hassle and everything it takes to actually put up cameras. LightCam requires no drilling, no wires, no hassle. You just plug it in, turn it on, and it works. We designed LightCam to be the most versatile and affordable camera for your house. Your camera is HD, it's infrared so it can see in the dark. So first of all, if you have a taller structure, if you have a shorter one, you can actually telescope it up and down. When you pick your viewing angle, it'll actually rotate side to side depending on where you'll actually want to see. Your actual lens comes out so you can aim your camera down. If you have a vertical sconce, you can actually go ahead and switch that so you can get the viewing angle you want. This telescoping lens actually can connect up with the glass of your enclosure. What that means is you're not going to have glare or any of the blinding kind of like, hey, the infrared's bouncing off the glass or the light is bouncing off the glass. I can't see anything at night. It's got motion activation, so if you have visitors, you're going to know about it. It has a two-way voice on it. You're going to be able to adjust the colors. LightCam is designed with high-end cob LEDs, so your light should last 15 to 20 years. I mean, we've spent basically 2 years perfecting every piece we could to make sure that it would work in as many different situations as possible. LightCam is an amazing product and it's going to benefit a ton of people. We really appreciate you guys watching this, and we hope that you'll help us by backing the campaign and by sharing it with your friends and family so that we can bring this great product to everybody.
Personalize your life with the easy-to-use You by Moen shower. With Wi-Fi connectivity and cloud support, you can create up to 12 presets to set the perfect temperature and control your shower. Create a customized showering experience right from your smartphone or your shower controller. Available in either a 2 or 4 outlet system, You by Moen allows you to create your perfect shower. The controller's unique finish coordinates with any bathroom style. You by Moen will even notify you when your shower is ready and automatically pause until you are ready to get in. And Moen's warranty provides peace of mind. The You by Moen shower. The shower designed just for you. Moen. Buy it for looks. Buy it for life.
This is the eBeam smartpen.
Being a designer, I'm always thinking visually. The eBeam smartpen lets me save, organize, and even stream everything I sketch and draw, all in real time.
Writing is a very natural form of communication that we can now instantly digitize. This opens up a whole new level of possibilities. This smart pen keeps you connected in ways you never thought possible.
Whether you're a student taking notes in class, a guy in a meeting, or maybe you just want to handwrite a message to a friend overseas, we're building the most powerful handwriting device out there. If you're as busy as I am, always running around to different locations, you'll be happy to know that with the eBeam Smart Pen, you can stay connected anywhere. Anyone can watch what you're writing in real time.
You can use our smart pen with any paper, from letter to B6. In fact, you don't even need paper. You can use the smart pen on any flat surface. Just place the small sensor above the writing area and everything will be captured. So say goodbye to constantly buying expensive notepads. Sharing your writing in real time is easy. With the press of a button, you can start a meeting and share the link. Anyone with that link can connect and watch. Connected users can even be given permission to write or draw back, adding their notes to the digital canvas, all from their phone or computer. The eBeam Smart Pen even comes with a stylus nib to make it an all-in-one pen and stylus solution that can be used on any display or on any flat surface without making a mark. This pen is truly smart. If you're handwriting text, the eBeam Smart Pen can recognize what you're writing and convert it to digital fonts for easy editing. You can even use it to send messages to friends and family in a personal and natural way using your preferred text messaging or chatting app like iMessage, WhatsApp, anything. It's your new personal handwriting keyboard. The eBeam Smart Pen connects via the latest Bluetooth BLE technology. No need to pair the device. It'll detect and allow you to connect all automatically with a simple push of a button. The device works using 2 sensor technologies for incredibly accurate location triangulation, so you know that all of your strokes are captured beautifully and accurately.
It's the perfect writing companion to take with you anywhere.
It takes just 2 hours to fully charge using any regular micro USB cable and can be used for 8 hours straight.
The eBeam smartpen was created and designed by LightCam, the global meeting solution technology company with the mission to help you connect and communicate with ease.
LightCam has created successful interactive capture products for education and business for years, and we are constantly improving our offerings, the eBeam smartpen being the latest in our product suite.
It's time to upgrade your writing device to the last pen you'll ever need.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome Todd Henderson of 109 Bakerfield Road.
Browsing the web shouldn't feel like performing for an audience. Every time you access the internet, your data can be viewed and stolen by hackers. Your activity can be tracked and censored. And movies and games can be blocked by regional restrictions. But not with Betterspot. Betterspot encrypts your incoming and outgoing web activity, protecting you online. It gives you the freedom to access movies, live sports, and games without regional blackouts or restrictions, whether you're at home or traveling abroad. Connect Betterspot to your router, and all your devices are protected simultaneously. The Betterspot app allows you to switch from VPN mode to Tor Anonymity Network. You can also turn the VPN off to make Betterspot work like a regular router. The app has easy-to-use controls to change the geographic location that you appear in so that you can unlock region-blocked content. Betterspot gives freedom, privacy, and security to your internet-connected devices, keeping your web activity private, the way it should be.
Today we are excited to introduce something that we think is going to take secure and private browsing to the next level. It's called Betterspot. Betterspot is a VPN router compatible with all types of technology platforms and devices. It's portable, works with Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection, and is super easy to use. All you need to do is turn it on. It can be used on its own or with our intuitive app, which lets you easily control Betterspot. For the past 5 years, our company has provided its VPN services to millions of people to ensure safe and secure internet browsing. Betterspot uses our company's premium servers and trusted VPN service to give customers maximum protection and security. Our team has been working on Betterspot for a year and is ready to share it with you, but we need your help. With your support, we'll be able to fine-tune our designs based on manufacturing requirements and start mass production to bring Betterspot to you. Join our campaign and be part of a safer, freer, and better internet experience.
Please welcome GoDuo, the ultimate Bluetooth speaker. Classy, versatile, durable. For 9 years, the team at KNZ Technology have developed and manufactured OEM speakers for world-famous brands. Now, they're finally coming out with their own, and it does everything you've ever wanted in a pair of portable speakers. Throw on the carrying case, and you have a super durable, portable device. It's water resistant and can take a beating. But that's not the best part. GoDuo can be instantly split into a stereo speaker system. The magnetic base connects the 2 speakers together and allows you to easily attach them to any magnetic surface, making them extremely versatile. When unlinked, each half can play as a standalone speaker. When linked, the 2 speakers will synchronize for a distinct stereo experience. Big bass, sweet highs. You won't lose sound fidelity with these babies. You can play them wireless or use the hidden jack for a quick hookup. Clean, sleek, modern. These are the wireless speakers you've been waiting for. GoDuo, premium sound anywhere.